Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the reopening of the Cornwall Regional Hospital. Now the Cornwall Regional Hospital is the largest hospital in Western Jamaica. It's a type A facility and it is also one of the largest hospitals in Jamaica, and it's critical to the healthcare services or the healthcare sector in Jamaica. Now, for the last 7 years, the hospital has been undergoing some major rehabilitation work. It's like they're building a new hospital. And in addition to the rehabilitation work being done at the Cornwall Regional Hospital, on the same compound, they're building the Children's Western Adolescent Hospital. So at the end of the day, you're going to have two major hospital facilities in the area. And it's located in Montego Bay, Jamaica. So we are going to go through an article to give an update on the latest that is happening with the reopening of this facility. The Cornwall Regional Hospital, one of Jamaica's largest and most important healthcare institutions, is set to begin a phased reopening after 7 years of extensive rehabilitation. Located in Montego Bay, St. James, the hospital serves as a primary medical facility for the western region of the island, providing critical healthcare services to thousands of Jamaicans. The phased reopening announced by Minister of Health and Wellness Dr. Christopher Tufton marks a significant milestone in the hospital's long journey towards modernization. Despite delays and setbacks, the reopening signals hope for improved healthcare delivery and the strengthening of Jamaica's public health system. Built in 1974, Cornwall Regional Hospital is one of Jamaica's largest public hospitals with a capacity of approximately 400 beds. The facility was constructed to serve the western parishes including St. James, Hanover, Trelawney, and Westmoreland, making it a vital pillar of healthcare in the region. As a Type A hospital, Cornwall Regional provides comprehensive medical services, including emergency care, maternity services, surgery, and specialized treatment in fields such as cardiology and oncology. It also functions as a teaching hospital, offering training opportunities for medical students and healthcare professionals. Over the years, Cornwall Regional has played a crucial role in addressing the health needs of both locals and tourists, given Montego Bay's status as Jamaica's tourism capital. However, the hospital's infrastructure began to deteriorate due to age, poor maintenance, and environmental issues. By 2017, widespread complaints of noxious fumes and poor air quality forced the hospital to scale down its operations, with many departments relocated to temporary locations. The rehabilitation of Cornwall Regional Hospital has been one of the most ambitious and challenging health projects in Jamaica's history. The government initially planned a 2-year restoration, but the complexity of the repairs and unforeseen structural issues extended the timeline significantly. The scope of work included structural repairs, electrical upgrades, plumbing replacements, air conditioning installments, and the development of modern IT infrastructure. The project also faces disruptions caused by the COVID-19 pandemic, supply chain delays, and escalating costs. Despite these challenges, the government remained committed to restoring the hospital to international standards. Minister Tufton has consistently emphasized that the upgraded hospital will offer state-of-the-art medical facilities and improve the quality of care available to people of Western Jamaica. The phased reopening will begin with the administrative wing, which Dr. Tufton describes as the nerve of the hospital. This section is now fully furnished and will be followed by the installation of the hospital's IT systems and server rooms, essential for managing patient information and hospital operations. The gradual restoration of medical services will follow, ensuring that key departments such as outpatient clinic, diagnostic services, and inpatient care become operational in stages. While the final completion date has been revised to between 2027 and 2028, the minister assured the public that critical areas of the hospital will be operational long before that. The reopening is expected to relieve pressure on other healthcare facilities in the region, such as the Falmouth and Savannah Lamar hospitals, which have been struggling to accommodate the overflow of patients from Montego Bay. Alright, guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright, guys, have a good day.